Welcome! In this video, we're excited to introduce you to one of the fantastic features of PickMyLink, the Smart Business Card. As the name implies, this innovative tool lets you craft a virtual business card that's perfect for influencers, creators, and experts on the go. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying physical cards. The Smart Business Card is your ultimate solution, seamlessly replacing traditional business cards and making networking at events, meetings, and sessions a breeze. Get ready to elevate your networking game. A virtual business card using this app. We will guide you on how to configure your virtual business card or smart business card. To begin, navigate to the Apps menu after logging into PickMyLink. Once you click on Apps, you will see a list of all the PickMyLink apps. Select Open Smart Business Card, and you will see the fields that need to be configured. The details you provide here will be saved in your virtual business card or smart business card. Here, you can input your first and last name, occupation, position, and phone number. You can add multiple phone numbers and remove them if you don't want to have multiple numbers. Similarly, you can configure multiple emails and add multiple links such as your website, business details, or any other URLs you want to include. You can also save your physical address. Once all this information is saved, that's all you need to do. After configuring your smart business card, you can install the PickMyLink mobile app on your device. Alternatively, if you are using a browser, simply log in to PickMyLink. In the top right corner, you will see a QR icon near your profile picture. Click on this icon to open your virtual business card or smart business card. This will display a QR code that you can share with others. In this QR code, anyone you meet can easily scan it using their mobile device. Upon scanning, your contact information will automatically save onto their phone. This method is particularly helpful as it eliminates the risk of losing your contact details, unlike with a physical business card. Once your contact information is saved on their device, they can reach out to you at any time. This is a handy application that greatly improves networking efficiency. It allows you to share your contact information with anyone you meet, making it easy to share your business details. We encourage you to install this app, make use of it, and network efficiently. Let the right people have access to your contact details. Thank you for watching.